Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So first of all, you should go to the control center here, and here you have the button reading mode. This is just a name for the night mode on this device. You can switch it here. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on it. It's called reading mode. You can select it if you want to use the classic one, or you want to use paper, which adds this paper filter on your screen. You can also change its temperature by disabling this adjust color temperature automatically. By going here, you can change its temperature, and you can also set a schedule for it here. You can just set it on good night's read, or you can set it on your custom period. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.